And what are the two most important takeaways for AHA moments?
Sure. So, using the digital simulations and online resources.
Si Sir Nico is an IT expert. Focus concept mapping the tools to be used in education.
But regardless of discipline and all,
may mga parang key points po na absorb niyo during this days. Based on his or her ability to translate the prepared concept na for the lecture.
Strategy mo doon sa learning strategy. So may ganun ba?
is that it also shifted our mindset that by simply delivering content.
Sabi ko ni Ma'am Fresh, na pinag-agreean naman natin, learning should not be boring. Our third year was my college professor, and when in power dyan is the teacher mismo. So, like ChatGPT, ano niya.
Kasi na-realize niya na and every year that they you
Ang model-model na iba na sa wala ko sa team and ang process na nagamit is Zoom.